Hey y'all, we're back out in the driveway. Got the pop-up up. You can see we got some clouds. I don't know. It said it was about 90 inside the garage when it was all closed up, but we put a pop-up up just to give us a little shade. Just a nice breeze. It's not too bad. What we're doing here, what I'm going to show you real quick is the difference between rough grinding and you know the way we cut it off. As you can see here, we just knock it down. Try not to get onto the tubing at all. You don't want to get too greedy. It'd be real easy to get greedy with these hard wheel grinders. And just use the very edge of it here when you get close and just go right around and flatten it out as best you can. And we're going to use the air tool next. Here when I cut the those things here, the little tubes off that mounted the Nerfs up front, I got into it with the death wheel a little bit. And we're going to show you how to fix those too. Obviously, we're going to use the welder and weld it up here. You can see looks like the front hub and rotor carrier, whatever it was, contacting the frame on both sides. So we'll fix that up with some weld too. We're not sure what we're going to do with the powder coating and painting of this thing yet. So we're just going to fix all the flaws. That's all there is to it. We'll just fix all of them just in case we're going to leave it raw. But I figured I would go ahead and leave these the way they are and show you one side compared to the way it was cut. And then we'll go from here. I'll go ahead and rough grind the other side and then finish grind with the air tool this side and then show you the comparison of what they look like. And we'll go from there. With any luck, maybe just a little tiny bit of hand filing, but you know, you can use the abrasives up with the air tool, go right on down to like a 120 or a 160, 150, 180, and maybe you don't need to use a file at all. If you're good, you know, you can tune it right in. And I like to use the file just to make sure it's all flat and that it's all the weld and everything that's left behind is gone. So that's it. We're out here, here's the sun. We're out here messing around out in the driveway, doing a little cutting and grinding and sanding and all that kind of stuff, and we'll bring you some more as we get her done. Stay tuned.